In this video, I want to point out some of the features and specifications of our bookshelf doors. All of our standard bookshelf doors are 8 inches deep. They all come with 6 to 7 adjustable shelves. If you have a taller door, you will have more shelves that come with it at no additional cost. The spacing between each shelf will be between 10 to 12 inches apart. You will have 7 inches of usable shelving space. All of our outswing doors come with a upper trim which prevents, as you can see here, any light or any gap from being visible, which makes a very concealed door. The door will open by just pulling on the side frame. If you pull from here, the door does open here. So we'll open up the door. One thing too that I want to point out is that the frame or the trim piece that opens is attached to your bookshelf door. The top and on the side that will be fixed into your frame. The door is shipped out with a pre-hung door frame, so these pieces will be attached to it. There's no assembly required. However, some doors will come with the pre-hung door frame unassembled given shipping restrictions, and all you will have to do is just screw each corner with some pocket holes and screws that we provide you with. If you are replacing an old door with a bookshelf door, know that you will have to remove the trim around your door, and this side of the door, whichever side you're opening, will be unfinished given that you will have to remove your old door casing. So you won't see it when you close the door, but when you open it, you will see that. So you'll want to make sure that you finish that edge, drywall it, and paint it to the same color of your wall. One other feature about our door is that we have a magnetic door catcher. So you will sit on this trim piece and that will catch on the top header. You'll have a catch magnetic latch there. We also have a bottom door catcher here. So this is and it's a bolt that you can adjust, can go up or down, and you can give it the tension you want. It will catch into this rubber piece that's on the lower frame. So that's the door from the front, and it will open up on 90 degrees. All of our doors come with this frame around it, so it looks nice and finished. It comes painted standard white. You can customize the color if you like. I'll close the door now. So now let's go ahead and move to the back. In most homes, you will have a wall that's 4.5 inches deep. Our doors that are 8 inches deep will extrude into your room 2.6 inches out. If you have a sound barrier door, the door will extrude 5.5 inches. You will notice that the door does have some gaps on this side. This is 0.8 inch, and here you have a less than a half of an inch gap, and you need this so when you open the door will have enough clearance for it to open. So you will need that gap there. If you want to make the back of it a little nicer so you're not seeing a door that extrudes out with some gaps, you can add some back casing, which in this case, this is what that will look like. You will still see the gap on the back here just because you still need that door clearance as the door opens. The door can easily be removed. So on the front, we'll move to the front here. The door sits on a pivot system up on the bottom here, and there's a shaft that allows the door to sit on, so all the weight is holding on the ground. The doors can hold up to 400 pounds. Also, if you ever need to remove the door, there's a small pin that you will insert here and it will be removed and the door can be taken out. If you have a key lock mechanism system, you will have a keyhole on the side of this panel that can easily be covered with placing a bookshelf door, and you will have a shaft on the inside of your door that's custom built, so you won't see any metal or anything of that nature, but it will be a shaft that will be moving up and a shaft that will go down, and it will lock on your door jamb on the bottom and also on the top. So that's for a lock mechanism. And yeah, that essentially is how our bookshelf doors work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.